Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loops. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos then please click the bell icon. Last video I did the tutorial on this cuddly bunny amigurumi. I will attach the link in the description box. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bunny frock and the hairband with a small flower. So let's begin the tutorial. In this tutorial for making the frock and the hairband, I have used embroidery floss and the crochet hook size is 1.75 millimeter. So let's begin the tutorial. At first we will do the slip knot and insert the hook in it. Now we will do chain 23. Okay. Choose the number of chains such that it completely goes around the waist of the bunny. Okay. And now we will begin the row 1. Okay, for this we will do chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. Then we will yarn over. Okay, and in the 5th chain from the hook we will do a double crochet. Okay, and then we are going to do one double crochet in each of the remaining chains. Okay, so in total we have 23 double crochets, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet. So we will quickly complete our 23 double crochets and meet you at the end of this round. We will now begin the round 2. So at first we will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round and we will turn our work. Okay. Then we will do one double crochet in each of the remaining stitches. Okay, so in total we have 23 double crochets, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet. So we will quickly complete this 23 double crochets. After that we will do chain 4. And then we will form a circle, okay, by joining or doing a slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of the round 2. Okay, slip stitch done. Then after that you will do chain 2. This chain 2 is the first half double crochet of this round. Then we will yarn over and in the following stitch we will do 1/2 double crochet, and we are going to do 1/2 double crochet in each of the remaining stitches of this round. Okay, so we are doing in total 27 half double crochets, taking the first chain 2 as a half double crochet. We will quickly complete this round. Okay, we will do all the half double crochet till the beginning of the chain 4. Okay, and then we have got the chain 4 space. We will yarn over and we will do 4 half double crochet from below the chain 4. Okay, we are going to do 4 half double crochets in this chain 4 space. Okay, and then complete this round with a slip stitch in the 2nd chain of the starting chain 2 of this round, followed by a chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. Okay, and the round 3 is completed. We will quickly check whether the top portion of the frock fits well around the waist and the chest portion of the bunny. Okay, so it fits quite well. I have chosen the number of chains based on the diameter of the bunny's waist. Now I will do the flared portion of the frock. For that I have taken a purple colored thread. Okay, so we will take the thread and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. Then we will insert or slip stitch in any of the stitches of the last round. Just do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet of this round. Okay, then in the same stitch we will do another double crochet. After that, in the next stitch we will do 2 double crochets. 2 double crochets in a stitch means an increase. Okay, so we are going to do an increase in each of the following stitches in this round. Okay, so in total we are going to have 54 double crochets in this round. 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. Okay, so we will quickly complete our double crochets and meet you at the end of this round. We have reached the end of this round and we are about to do the last 2 double crochets. Okay, and finally we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, do a slip stitch and complete this round. Now we will begin the round 5. Okay, with a chain 3. This chain 3 is again the first double crochet of this round. In the same stitch we will do a double crochet, that is we did an increase. In the next stitch also we will do 2 double crochets. Okay, and in all the other stitches we are going to do 2 double crochets. Okay, so in total we will have 108 double crochets in this round. Okay, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet too. So in each stitch we are doing 2 double crochets. We will quickly complete this round and meet you at the end of this round. Okay, at the end of this round we will simply do a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, and we will do a chain 1 and we will cut the yarn. Okay, so the frock portion is complete. We will now add the sleeves to the frock. Okay, you can see we have already added one strap of the frock. Now we will add the other one. So for that, take the yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. We will now work on the top portion of the frock. Okay, so turning the frock backwards, just do a slip stitch in the third stitch from the top. Okay, and then do 9 chains. Okay, now keeping 6 stitch gap. Okay, in the 7th stitch do a slip stitch. Okay, done, and do a chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. Now again turn your work and start doing 1 single crochet in each of the 9 chains. Okay, so start doing 1 single crochets in each of the chains till you reach the 9th one. Okay, So we have reached the end of this strap, and at the end simply do a slip stitch in the stitch where you began doing the strap. Do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. So the strap is also ready. Now we will weave in all the loose ends of the frock, okay, and come back to you. So all the loose ends are weaved in. Now we are going to add a button at the back. So we are going to add the button in the first row, okay, in the last double crochet of that first row. Okay, so just stitch the button there, and the loop of this button is going to be the first chain 3 of this first row. Okay, quickly add your button and tie a knot and cut the yarn, and your frock is now completely ready. Okay, button should be tied. Insert the button in the chain 3 loop. Okay, so the frock is now ready. Now we will make the hairband. So for that we will take the yarn and make a slip knot, and we will insert the hook in it, and we will make as many number of chains such that it should encircle the ears of the bunny. For me, I required 24 chains. Okay, you will see how many number of chains you require. Okay, after that just slip stitch in the first chain. Okay, and then do a chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. In the same stitch we will do one single crochet, and we will do one single crochets in all the remaining stitches. So in total we are going to do 24 single crochets. As I did 24 chains, you will do as many number of single crochets as many number of chains you did. Okay, after that just complete this round by a slip stitch in the starting single crochet, followed by a chain 1, and then cut the yarn. So the hairband is now ready. We will now make the flower of the hairband. The flower portion is also optional, but let's make it. So for the flower, just make a magic circle first. Okay, and after the magic circle do chain 2, and then do a half double crochet in the magic circle, followed by chain 2, and then slip stitch in the magic circle. You will pull the tail of the magic circle to close the circle or shorten it, and after that do chain 2, again one half double crochet in the magic circle, followed by chain 2, and then slip stitch in the magic circle. We will repeat it 2 more times or 3 more times depending on the number of petals you want for the flower. That is chain 2, half double crochet and another chain 2, and then slip stitch in the magic circle. Okay, after you have done all the petals, just slip stitch in the magic circle after the last chain 2, followed by a chain 1. Okay, and just cut the yarn. Now we will stitch the flower to the hairband. Okay, so we will quickly stitch the flower to the hairband and tie a knot. Okay, it should be tied and it should not come out. And for the finishing you can always add little bit of fabric glue, okay, for a neat ending. So the hairband is ready. Okay, so glue is also added and the hairband is now ready. So our bunny dress is completely ready. I made another frock with different color combinations but the same pattern. The bunny is too cute and the dress is also too cute. So we will quickly show you how to dress up the bunny. I have added a link in the description box for the tutorial of this bunny amigurumi, so you can always click that link for this tutorial before making the dress for the bunny. And the written pattern is also provided in the description box. It's a link to my Etsy store, so you can always buy the PDF of the written pattern. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.